and push power switch to start. I don't want it to start, so I'll push it one more time. Thing comes on. So I go into the right, I hit back, I go back. Should be able to enter. I'm gonna hold this guy. Alright, so it's go hit the back button and you go all the way down till you get to right there. Then so you go down to meter, vehicle settings. It's the one you want to go into. Hit enter, enter, go into oil, reset, yes, reset complete. Then you just hit back, back, back. And that is how you reset the oil light or reset the oil. I press my pedal and I am going to start it up. And it's in vehicle settings and I don't get that light anymore. Now again, for anybody that missed that, or for myself in the future, because I'm pretty sure that I might forget, because it's something that I don't do all the time. I go all the way to that key, or that little wheel, go into vehicle settings, maintenance system, and I don't want to go do the TPMS, and I'm going to oil, and I already reset it, so I don't want to reset it, so I just go back. But really straightforward, just a matter of finding it.